We often place ourselves, Homo sapiens, at the pinnacle of intelligence, believing that our cognitive abilities are unmatched. We celebrate our technological advancements, our complex languages, and our capacity to create and innovate, and our ability to solve abstract problems that seem beyond the reach of other species. But experts in evolutionary biology urge us to reconsider this self-proclaimed superiority, suggesting that intelligence manifests in many forms.
The animal kingdom is brimming with diverse forms of intelligence, often exceeding our own in remarkable and unexpected ways. Animals demonstrate exceptional problem-solving skills, intricate communication methods, and even tool use. They show a deep understanding of their environment, adapting and thriving in ways that are uniquely suited to their needs. To truly assess intelligence, we must look beyond our anthropocentric biases and appreciate the unique ways in which different species thrive, each contributing to the rich tapestry of life on Earth.
The idea of human exceptionalism is deeply ingrained in our history. From the dawn of agriculture, when we began to exert control over nature, a sense of dominance emerged. Organized religion further solidified this notion, placing humans at the top of a hierarchical ladder of creation.
Philosophers like Aristotle emphasized human reasoning as a mark of our superiority. This anthropocentric view continued to permeate through the Industrial Revolution, where the exploitation of nature for human progress became commonplace.
Renowned evolutionary biologists argue that animals possess unique abilities that we often misinterpret. They believe that our understanding of intelligence is too narrow and often biased towards human-centric traits. They emphasize that just because animals may not communicate or perceive the world as we do, it doesn't signify inferior intelligence. In fact, their ways of interacting with their environment can be incredibly sophisticated.
Consider the intricate songs of humpback whales, which are not just random sounds, but complex vocalizations that can convey a variety of messages. The complex social structures of elephant herds, where each member plays a crucial role in the community, are another testament to their intelligence. Or the incredible navigational skills of migrating birds, which can travel thousands of miles with pinpoint accuracy, using the Earth's magnetic field and other natural cues. These are just a few examples of the diverse forms of intelligence thriving in the animal kingdom. Each species has evolved unique ways to solve problems and adapt to their environments.
And every time I observe these animals in their natural habitats, I am constantly amazed by their ingenuity and adaptability. It's like watching a live documentary of survival and innovation. I am constantly amazed by their ingenuity and adaptability. Whether it's a bird using tools to get food or a dolphin using bubbles to hunt, their creativity knows no bounds. It's a humbling reminder of how much we still have to learn about the world around us. The more we study them, the more we realize that intelligence is not a human monopoly, but a shared trait across the animal kingdom.
Misunderstood and underestimated. We often fail to grasp the complexity of animal communication.
The elaborate dances of honeybees, the scent markings of wolves, and the ultrasonic calls of bats all convey intricate information. Our limited senses restrict our understanding of their rich communication systems.
Even our domesticated companions, dogs and cats, communicate their needs and emotions with surprising sophistication. Their ability to learn our routines, anticipate our actions, and manipulate us with affection speaks volumes about their intelligence. Love and compassion in the wild. Beyond intelligence, the animal kingdom is replete with examples of noble emotions.
We see unwavering loyalty in pack animals, selfless parental care in countless species, and even interspecies cooperation in the face of adversity. Chimpanzees console each other after a conflict. Elephants mourn their dead, and dolphins have been known to protect humans from sharks.
These acts of empathy and compassion challenge us to reconsider the boundaries of sentience. The darkness within all species. In the heart of nature, we find a balance of beauty and brutality. However, we must acknowledge that the capacity for cruelty and violence exists in both humans and animals. This duality is an intrinsic part of life.
Predation is a natural part of the animal world, but so is competition, territoriality, and even infanticide in certain species. These behaviors ensure survival and the continuation of the strongest genes.
Yet humans often engage in acts of cruelty that seem to go beyond survival instincts. Our actions can be driven by greed, entertainment, or misguided beliefs. Bullfighting, trophy hunting, factory farming, and the torture of animals for entertainment are stark reminders of our potential for darkness. These practices reflect a deeper, more troubling aspect of human nature.
These actions raise uncomfortable questions about our own moral compass. Are we truly aware of the impact of our actions on other living beings? Are we humans really smarter than other species?